Welcome back to Bike Tricka, your go-to channel for the latest and most powerful motorcycles on the planet. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic muscle bikes ever created, the new 2026 Yamaha VMAX 1700. This machine isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement of raw power, aggressive design, and legendary performance. A legend reborn. The Yamaha VMAX name carries decades of dominance, and the 2026 model continues that fearless legacy. Yamaha hasn't reinvented the VMAX. They've refined it. The bike still stands for brutal acceleration and street presence, but with modern updates that make it more refined, more stable, and more thrilling than ever before. Bold and muscular design. The 2026 VMAX 1700 looks exactly how a power cruiser should look, wide, low, and intimidating. The massive fuel tank, muscular air scoops, and chunky rear tire give it an unstoppable stance. Yamaha has sharpened the body lines, upgraded the paint finish, and added subtle modern touches while keeping the classic VMAX identity alive. This is a bike that demands attention even when standing still. Engine and performance power. At the heart of the VMAX is the legendary 1,700 cubic centimeters V4 engine, producing explosive torque and heart-pounding acceleration. Twist the throttle and the bike launches forward like a rocket. Yamaha's advanced fuel injection and refined engine tuning make power delivery smoother, yet still brutally strong. This is not a beginner's bike, it's built for riders who crave adrenaline. Ride, handling and control. Despite its aggressive power, the 2026 VMAX is surprisingly stable. The low center of gravity, strong chassis, and wide tires keep the bike planted at high speeds. Upgraded suspension tuning improves corner confidence, while powerful disc brakes deliver solid stopping performance. It's heavy, yes, but controlled, balanced, and confidence-inspiring on open roads. Technology and rider features. Yamaha has kept things purposeful and performance-focused. The digital instrument cluster delivers all essential ride data clearly. Modern rider aids enhance safety without dulling the raw VMAX experience. This bike isn't overloaded with unnecessary electronics, it's about riding, power, and control. Who is the VMAX for? The 2026 Yamaha VMAX 1700 is built for riders who want dominance on the street. It's for muscle bike lovers, power enthusiasts, and collectors who appreciate legendary machines. If you want comfort touring, this isn't it, but if you want unmatched acceleration and road presence, the VMAX delivers like nothing else. Final thoughts, Bike Tricka. The new 2026 Yamaha VMAX 1700 proves that true muscle bikes never fade, they evolve. With jaw-dropping power, iconic design, and refined performance, Yamaha keeps the VMAX legacy alive and roaring. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to Bike Tricka, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more legendary motorcycle content. Ride hard, ride smart, and we'll see you in the next one.